Hey everyone, it's Carrie from Empower Wellness Coaching. It is that time of year. The holidays are upon us. We are overeating, overindulging, feeling a little bit out of control, and it is just the beginning, which is why I wanted to share some tips as we're starting into the holiday season. So one of my best tips for staying on track with all the parties, with all the extra goodies that are around, are having a good healthy snack that includes protein, healthy fat, and some fiber. And you definitely want to have that, have it as a snack on hand, or you can have it before you go somewhere, which is probably the best thing. The shake I'm going to show you right now, I usually make in the morning, and then I put it in my freezer while I'm getting ready, usually probably an hour or so. And then by the time I'm out and about and I'm ready for a snack, I have a healthy snack with me. So here, it's very simple. We are going to start with 2 scoops of vanilla protein. So this is our protein right here. 2 scoops of that. I also like to use pumpkin. I don't know if you guys have been watching me, but I'm on a huge pumpkin kick. So we are going to put a ½ cup of pumpkin in here. Try for organic, but whatever is in your budget is best. We also have a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. Gotta have cinnamon with our pumpkin. Then we also want to use some ground ginger. This is about 1/4 teaspoon ginger. You can put more in there if you like. Definitely play around with the recipe. Let's see. Then I also, for me, I like to put in a tablespoon, I'm sorry, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon of coconut oil for some healthy fat. Just extra for me. This is optional. You don't have to put that in there. And then I also use a cup of coconut milk. So that is another thing of healthy fat. So we have our protein with our protein powder. We have our healthy fats with coconut milk, coconut oil, and then our pumpkin will be offering our fiber. So all you do, mix that. Like I said, really simple. And if you want to go ahead and have that now, you can also add some ice to it. But this is great to have before you head out to a party and you know there's going to be things that aren't so great on the menu that you're going to want to eat. Make sure you go with your belly full of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. And you'll feel less inclined to indulge. Good.